From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed upon the stars, pondered the mysteries of our existence, and yearned for a life unbounded by the constraints of time. The ancient Egyptians, with their elaborate rituals and mummification practices, sought to cheat death and attain eternal life in the afterlife. The Greek myths tantalized us with tales of gods and goddesses who possessed immortality, their lives a tapestry of power, love, and eternal youth. Throughout history, the quest for immortality has captivated our imaginations, fueling countless legends, scientific pursuits, and philosophical debates. But what does it truly mean to be immortal? In the realm of biology, immortality doesn't imply an eternal existence impervious to harm. Instead, it refers to the remarkable ability of certain organisms to escape the seemingly inevitable process of aging, a phenomenon known as negligible senescence. These creatures, often found in the hidden corners of our planet, challenge our understanding of life and death, offering tantalizing clues about the nature of aging and the potential for extended lifespans. Join us now as we embark on an extraordinary journey into the world of biological immortality, exploring the fascinating creatures that seem to have unlocked the secrets to an ageless existence. Our journey into the realm of biological immortality begins with a creature so extraordinary, it seems to defy the very laws of nature. Imagine a being capable of turning back the hands of time, reversing its life cycle to evade the grip of aging. This is the remarkable reality of Turritopsis dohrnii, a species of jellyfish that has earned the moniker the Immortal Jellyfish. Found in oceans around the world, this tiny creature, measuring a mere few millimeters in diameter, holds within its delicate form the potential to revolutionize our understanding of aging and regeneration. The life cycle of Turritopsis dohrnii reads like a science fiction novel. It begins life as a free-swimming larva, known as a planula. This larva eventually attaches itself to a surface and develops into a polyp, a stalk-like structure with a mouth and tentacles. Through a process called budding, the polyp produces genetically identical copies of itself, forming a colony of polyps that resemble a miniature underwater forest. From these polyps, tiny jellyfish buds emerge, breaking free to embark on their own life cycle, seemingly destined to age and die like any other creature. But here's where the story takes an astonishing turn. When faced with environmental stress, injury, or simply old age, Turritopsis dohrnii can do something truly remarkable. It can revert to its polyp stage, essentially turning back the clock on its own development. This process, known as transdifferentiation, involves the transformation of one cell type into another, a phenomenon rarely observed in the animal kingdom. During transdifferentiation, the jellyfish's cells undergo a remarkable metamorphosis. Muscle cells can become nerve cells, skin cells can transform into digestive cells, and the entire organism essentially remodels itself, defying the typical rules of cellular development.
The implications of Turritopsis dohrnii's immortality for human aging are profound. If we can unlock the secrets of transdifferentiation, could we one day regenerate damaged tissues, repair failing organs, and potentially even reverse the aging process itself? While such possibilities remain firmly in the realm of science fiction for now, the study of Turritopsis dohrnii offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for manipulating cellular fate and unlocking the secrets of regeneration. The immortal jellyfish serves as a potent reminder that nature still holds many mysteries, and the quest to unravel them may lead us to extraordinary discoveries that could reshape our understanding of life itself. Our exploration of biological immortality leads us to freshwater ponds and lakes, where we encounter a creature with an astonishing ability to cheat death. The Hydra, named after the mythical serpent, can regenerate lost body parts, making it a marvel of nature. Imagine a creature that can lose its head or tentacles, only to regrow them with precision. This is the reality of the Hydra, a testament to remarkable regenerative powers.
The secret to the Hydra's remarkable regeneration lies in its unique biology. Unlike most animals, the Hydra seems to possess a fountain of youth within its cells. Hydra's interstitial stem cells can differentiate into any cell type. These cells constantly divide, keeping the Hydra's body young and capable of regeneration. This renewal allows the Hydra to escape aging, fascinating scientists studying regeneration. By studying the Hydra, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of regeneration for human medicine. Imagine regenerating damaged tissues or growing new organs thanks to this tiny freshwater creature. The Hydra's ability to regenerate lost body parts inspires cutting-edge research in regenerative medicine. In the quiet depths of freshwater streams and ponds, we encounter a creature with an astonishing ability to regenerate. Meet the Planarian, a flatworm that can regenerate its entire body from even the tiniest fragment. These creatures, often no larger than a grain of rice, regrow lost body parts with precision. Cut a Planarian in half, and you'll create two. The secret to the Planarian's regenerative prowess lies in a remarkable population of cells known as neoblasts. These cells, scattered throughout the Planarian's body, are essentially immortal, capable of dividing indefinitely and differentiating into any cell type in the worm's body. When a Planarian is injured, neoblasts migrate to the wound site, where they begin to divide rapidly, forming a mass of undifferentiated cells known as a blastema. Within this blastema, a remarkable process of cellular communication and differentiation takes place. Cells communicate with each other through chemical signals, coordinating their activities to rebuild the missing tissues with remarkable fidelity. The Planarian's neoblasts hold immense promise for regenerative medicine. Scientists are studying these remarkable cells, hoping to unlock the secrets of their immortality and regenerative potential. Imagine a future where we could regenerate damaged tissues, repair spinal cord injuries, or even grow new organs, all thanks to insights gleaned from this humble flatworm. While such possibilities remain in the realm of science fiction for now, the study of Planarians offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for manipulating our own regenerative capabilities. Our exploration of biological immortality now takes us deep inside our own cells, to the very heart of our DNA, where we encounter a fascinating structure known as the telomere. Telomeres are like protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, shielding our genetic material from damage during cell division. Imagine them as the plastic tips on shoelaces, preventing the laces from fraying and unraveling. However, with each cell division, our telomeres shorten, like the gradual wearing down of those protective caps. This shortening of telomeres is thought to be a key factor in the aging process. As telomeres shorten, our cells become less efficient at dividing and repairing themselves, leading to the decline of tissues and organs. However, there's an enzyme called telomerase that can replenish these telomeres, effectively slowing down the cellular clock. Telomerase is like a cellular fountain of youth, active in certain cells like stem cells and germ cells, which need to divide indefinitely. However, in most adult cells, telomerase activity is low, contributing to the aging process. The discovery of telomeres and telomerase has ignited a firestorm of research in the field of aging and longevity. Scientists are exploring ways to boost telomerase activity or extend telomeres directly, hoping to slow down or even reverse the aging process. While the quest to extend human lifespan remains a complex and multifaceted challenge, The study of telomeres offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of manipulating our own biological clocks. Perhaps one day, we might be able to harness the power of telomerase to extend our health span and live longer, healthier lives. Our exploration of biological immortality now leads us from the microscopic world to the grandeur of ancient forests, where towering trees stand as silent sentinels of time. These arboreal giants, some having witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, challenge our perception of time and mortality. Among them, the bristlecone pines and giant sequoias stand out as true champions of longevity, their gnarled trunks and weathered bark bearing witness to millennia of history. These ancient trees, some older than the oldest human structures, offer a glimpse into the remarkable resilience of life and the power of adaptation over eons. High in the harsh, windswept mountains of California and Nevada, we find the bristlecone pines, some of the oldest living organisms on Earth. These trees thrive in an environment that would challenge most life forms, with thin air, scarce nutrients, and extreme temperatures. Their secret to longevity lies in their remarkable resilience. Their dense, resinous wood resists decay and insect infestation, while their slow growth rate allows them to conserve resources and weather the harshest conditions. One particular bristlecone pine named Methuselah is estimated to be over 4,800 years old, making it older than the pyramids of Egypt. As we've journeyed through the animal and plant kingdoms, we've encountered creatures capable of seemingly impossible feats of regeneration and longevity. From the jellyfish that turns back its own clock to the ancient trees that have stood for millennia, by studying these masters of survival, researchers aim to unlock the secrets of aging and longevity. The quest to extend human lifespan is as old as civilization itself. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, we've been captivated by the idea of cheating death. Today, advancements in genetics, stem cell research, and regenerative medicine are bringing us closer to understanding aging. Scientists are exploring gene editing, therapies for age-related diseases, and drugs that mimic calorie restriction. While true biological immortality remains elusive, extending human health span is becoming increasingly plausible.
As we stand on the cusp of unprecedented breakthroughs in longevity research, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of extending human lifespan. What would be the societal impact of a world where people live significantly longer lives? How would we address issues of overpopulation, resource allocation, and intergenerational equity? The pursuit of longevity raises profound philosophical questions about the meaning of life, the nature of death, and the very essence of what it means to be human. As we continue to push the boundaries of scientific knowledge, it's imperative that we engage in thoughtful and inclusive dialogue about the ethical and societal implications of our discoveries.
Inspired by ancient myths of immortal beings, we embarked on a quest for a life unbound by time. We explored the cellular mechanisms and adaptations that allow certain creatures to achieve biological immortality. From jellyfish reversing aging to ancient trees, these organisms blur the lines between myth and reality. Scientists are making strides in aging research, bringing us closer to extending human health span and lifespan. The pursuit of immortality, once the domain of emperors and alchemists, is now a global endeavor, fueled by scientific curiosity, technological advancements, and a deep-seated human desire to transcend our biological limitations. But as we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution and wisdom. The ethical implications of extending human lifespan are profound, demanding careful consideration and open dialogue. We must ask ourselves not only if we can achieve immortality, but if we should. And if so, how can we ensure that the benefits of longevity are shared equitably, without exacerbating existing social inequalities or disrupting the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems?